You use this while you shower, you'll probably never want to get out. Winter is here and I never have to worry about walking into a cold bathroom or shower thanks to this little heater right here. As you can see, it goes up to 90 degrees, or you can turn it as low as 60. It even has an automatic timer that goes up to 12 hours so you never waste any power. This thing may be small, but it's extremely powerful and I take it everywhere I go with me, even when I travel. But the best part is these are only $10 right now on the TikTok shop. And for that price, you can stop walking into a cold bathroom or shower in the morning and go ahead and get yourself one of these. I'll leave the link right here on this video.